number of reasons wearing high heels can be destructive to your body and general health. Wearing high heels causes your body to lean forward, which puts too much pressure on the balls of your feet. 1. Foot and ankle issues. Foot pain, corns, calluses, and bunions may result from this. Additionally, a small toe box can crush the toes and cause problems like hammer toes. High heels can also aggravate ankle instability and sprains. 2. Lower back pain. Wearing high heels causes your pelvis to tilt forward, which changes your posture and makes your lower spine more curved. Your lower back's muscles and ligaments may become strained as a result, resulting in discomfort and suffering. Three. Knee and hip problems. Wearing high heels alters your knee and hip posture, putting more strain on these joints. This has the potential to exacerbate chronic illnesses including osteoarthritis and joint discomfort. Four. Muscle imbalances. Wearing high heels keeps your calf muscles contracted, which makes them tight and stiff. This can result in muscle imbalances and support the development of ailments like Achilles tendinitis. Five. Stability and balance issues. Wearing high heels when you're walking changes your natural gait and balance. Falls, ankle sprains, and other injuries may result from this, which increases risk. 6. Circulation issues. Wearing high heels might make it difficult for your legs and feet to have enough blood flow. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT, and varicose veins can develop as a result of wearing tight-fitting shoes over an extended period of time. 7. Effect on general posture. Regularly wearing high heels may have an adverse effect on your posture as your body adjusts to the abnormal position. Muscle imbalances and poor posture may result from this. It's crucial to remember that wearing high heels sometimes and in moderation may not have a substantial negative impact. However, the risk of these adverse effects can grow if they are used often and for extended periods of time. Always choose supportive, cozy shoes, and give your feet regular breaks from wearing high heels. My friend Shane will discuss and advise for carrying a heavy bag on one shoulder, which can potentially pose health risks, regardless of whether you are wearing high heels or not. Shane, please have your concerns and advise our viewers.
Thank you, Sharon. It will aggravate the situation and pose some potential health dangers of carrying a heavy bag on one shoulder. The harmful effects on your body might be made worse by wearing high heels and carrying weighty handbags on your shoulders. This is why. 1. Increased foot strain. Wearing high heels while carrying a hefty handbag adds additional weight that your feet must sustain. This could increase the pressure on your feet's balls, resulting in more discomfort, inflammation, and potential foot issues. Unbalanced posture. Your body may tilt to one side if you are carrying a hefty handbag on one shoulder, which can throw off your normal posture. This can result in muscular imbalances, incorrect posture, and pain in the lower back, neck, and shoulders when coupled with the changed posture brought on by high heels. 3. Shoulder and neck tension, straining your neck and shoulder muscles when carrying a hefty bag on one shoulder. Muscle tenseness, knots, and even shoulder or neck pain may occur from this. 4. Enhanced risk of falling. Wearing high heels and carrying a hefty handbag might impact your balance and stability, increasing your chance of falling. Injury risk can be increased by the weight imbalance caused by the handbag and the changed walk caused by wearing high heels. Take into account the following advice to reduce any possible bad effects. 1. Choose flats or low heels. Choose shoes with a lower heel height or, ideally, go with cozy flats that give your feet additional support and stability. 2. Reduce the weight of your load by only carrying what is necessary to carry. Use a smaller purse or a backpack or crossbody bag to properly distribute the weight across both shoulders. 3. Change sides. If you must carry a shoulder bag, switch sides frequently to prevent persistently overtaxing one shoulder. 4. Strengthen and stretch. Take part in exercises that will assist your feet, legs, core, and back muscles become stronger. Stretching exercises should also be done to reduce muscle tension and increase flexibility. Always put your comfort and general well-being first when selecting footwear and carrying luggage. Regularly taking breaks from wearing heavy purses and high heels will lessen dangers and keep your posture in better shape.
Please smash the like button now and support us by clicking the subscribe button with the bell notification. Please do share and comment your views to understand you better. Thank you. Cheers.